Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back. So today we're going to be doing a review on the Hamilton Beach Quesadilla Maker. You guys can just be sure to check the video description for more information on that. So this is actually really easy to use. If you're wondering why I have it on the carpet and not in the kitchen, I'm packing because I'm moving. So I'm just about to pack this up and wrap it in some bubble wrap. So this was a very affordable quesadilla maker. I actually saw it when I was like shopping to make stuff for Cinco de Mayo, which I love. I love Mexican food. So I was like, you know what? Let me get this. Usually when I make quesadillas, I make them on the griddle. But honestly, and which is easy enough. But honestly, like there's just something about using this. It's just easier and it's very easy to clean and to use. So it comes just like this, basically in the box. I wiped it down before the first time I used it. Look how clean it stays. Obviously, there's nothing that you could put in the dishwasher. You can't saturate it with water, but you can rinse it, like if you're just very careful not to get any of like the wire pieces wet or anything like that. You could rinse it quickly, and you could just take like a wet cloth and wipe it down. So you could either take butter or a little bit of oil and nonstick spray. I choose to use like the avocado oil nonstick spray. It's a little healthier. And I spray it. And then I go ahead and I turn it on. So there's actually no power button. I just go ahead and plug it in to turn it on. So it comes with this cord that's not very long, but if I would like the cord to be a little longer, but that's okay. Just put it right on the countertop and plug it in. So it'll power on. The light will light up in red, and then after, I would say after like 5 minutes or so, this green light will go on and it will tell you it's ready and it's hot enough to use. And of course, so you don't have to burn yourself, you use these, which are made of rubber. So okay, so I would like lift this up and I would put one tortilla down. I would put what toppings I use. So I use cheese, black beans, jalapeno, a chili powder, and onion. That's what I put in my quesadillas. I don't eat meat. So I put that down facing flat. And then I would put another tortilla on top of the one that is face down with all of the ingredients on top. And then I just go ahead and close it. And about 5 minutes later, I open it. So I actually like mine a little crispier. So for 5 minutes, I would take like my husband and my son's off. For mine, I leave it for 7 minutes because I like it like a little bit more crispy and well done. And then basically you would just lift it and use a spatula, take it right off, and your quesadilla is ready. So literally it's like the easiest thing to use. And this is why I kind of prefer it as to a pan. If it was a pan, you'd have to like flip it over and it wouldn't come out as great. This, you could see it already has like the grooves in it and the lines. So it makes it just so much easier for cutting, and it's already like in the quesadilla shape. So what I do is take a knife or a pizza cutter, and I just, I cut it into pieces, and it gives you a really yummy and delicious quesadilla. So just a suggestion when you're using this, I tend to put the cheese like in the middle, all the ingredients in the middle, because it does melt a little bit. It gets a little hot. So you don't want the cheese and stuff like melting off to the side, because that definitely does happen. So just be careful with that. You leave the ingredients like in the middle. Try not to put them on the ends. Let's go ahead and flip this over. As you can see, it's a sandwich toaster by Hamilton Beach, and it says do not immerse in water, household use only. We have the model on here, the number 25409, series A3002 DX. And then I guess there's a battery pack in here. You don't have to fill anything. You don't have to use any batteries. It simply works with the cord. And you know what? For what it costs, which is inexpensive, definitely something great to have in the house if you guys love quesadillas. And it's fun with the kids. Like, like my son loves like picking up his own quesadilla and eating it. Like it's just fun. You guys do like Taco Tuesdays, or you could do like a quesadilla, you know, instead of doing Taco Tuesdays, do like a quesadilla day. Just a nice, easy, quick dinner, and the very easy cleanup. So, you know, anything you could do to save time is great. So I thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you found it useful. Again, this was the Hamilton Beach Quesadilla Maker. I hope you have a great night. And if you liked the video, found it useful, leave me a like, a comment, share. Thanks, guys, and have a great day.